The attack-resistant opening by ASSA ABLOY is it's two things really. It's either a complete assembly where we've got the full frame, door, hardware, the glass light kit, and the glass. We have partnered with Schoolguard Glass to complete this assembly. And it really is meant to delay an attacker for school environments or other environments as well, anywhere where you might have a lone attacker. We've also just recently set up the attack-resistant opening as an assembly with just a light kit only. So it's a retrofit solution where you can put the light kit into an existing wood door or hollow metal door. So it really brings this into not just new construction, but also retrofit solutions.
What we've done with ASSA ABLOY, especially with our new attack-resistant retrofit kit, for teachers, for school boards, for architects, all those who come together in designing or retrofitting an existing building, we want them to know that you have a solution here for your standard door and frame that costs less, that doesn't give the appearance of a prison, so they can send their kids to a school that is safer.
So the complete assembly offering is made up of standard products that we offer available off the shelf. So we offer hollow metal doors and frames, either from Ceco door or Curry's, as well as a special light kit that has the correct glass bite and door bite so that if it is being attacked, it's not going to fall out of the door. Very robust hardware, mortise locks from Sargent, Corbin, Russwin, or Yale with a large escutcheon plate also that helps protect it, because in the testing we do shoot the lock 30 times. So not only is it shot, then they can hammer away at it as well in the attack. So the complete assembly is very robust, but it's made up of standard products. When it comes to this situation though, this really is a unique solution. It can basically make every classroom a safe room. So you don't have to press a button to lock anything down. Everything is already in place. Then you've got 4 minutes for first responders to arrive, and you've got a safe zone in every classroom.
As a designer, I'm always looking for what's the best value, how the product performs, but then also how much does it cost. So previously coming into this, we've been looking at security film because of its cost effectiveness, but a little suspicious on what really is the performance of the product.
Window film is extremely common, and these companies advertise 2 to 3 minutes against forced entry. In reality, you're looking about 2 to 3 seconds.
So I was really excited hearing about this other product that really performs so much better than the film. I think it has a lot of different applications as far as deterrent, and really what we're trying to achieve is really the safety of mind to the public, to parents, to students, that they have a building that's safe.
We offer on-site demonstrations. ASSA ABLOY has a really good partnership with Schoolguard Glass, and we can go on site for PTAs, school districts, whoever wants to see this, and then we can get in touch with our integrators as well, with the school districts, so we can connect you with the right integrators and make sure you've got a good support team to make sure that you understand all the information and know the products that will really help you come up with a good plan.